Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Salesforce. This is Rohit and I hope you are good and doing well. So today I'm going to discuss about this Winter 25 new feature for the Apex. So if you are new in this channel, so please like, share, comment, subscribe the channel. Also you can turn on the bell icon for more updates so you never will miss any kind of update from my side. So let's get started without any further delay. So this is all exciting feature in Winter 25 for the Apex. So you have to learn it because this is very most important for us if you are working in Salesforce development. Okay, so let's get started. Now, the first feature is preventing collection modifications during iteration in the Apex. So let me explain to you. In Apex, modifying a set while iterating over this used to be allowed before API version 61.0, summer 24, right? So that kind of API don't have, much information about this, error. So in Winter 25 API version 62.0 have more, meaningful errors. So that kind of things we can use here. So we will see one by one example here. So let me open my org, Salesforce pre-release or Winter 25, right? So you can use any org as you have. For now, I'm using this one, right? And also side by side, I'm using like Summer 24 for the understanding purpose for this new feature. Let me open the developer console for Summer 24 first, and then we will see the example in Winter 25. So let me click on this developer console. Under this developer console, we have to write our code, right? So how to write the code? Very simple. You can open the execute unused window. So under here, you can see Control E. Under here, we have to write our code. So let me add this set first of all. Let's say set of string, right? And select names equal to new set of string. I will tell you the difference between this before Winter 25 and after Summer 24. So what is the difference between these all, set preventing collection modification during iterations in Apex. Okay, so here I can define any name as if we have, let's say, let's say Amit, anything as we have. Okay, so Amit, and my name as Shan. No problem. We can use any name as we have. So this is the set here, right? After that, we can iterate using for each loop. So here in the string, we can define like name and names, right? Under this loop, right? I need to check some condition. Let's say name dot start with like A. It can be anything in your case. I'm using like A because I'm checking this A here, right? And after that, I want to remove, like remove method. We can use it remove method to remove this name, right? And here, let me make it a semicolon. So please observe, guys, right now I'm using like Summer 24 or later on we will see in Winter 25. So what is the difference between these example, right? So let me click on this open log, click on this execute. Now immediately you can see method does not exist or incorrect signature would start with the string from the type of string, something like that, right? So let me check this one. So it says starts. So let me click on the execute. And once you clicked on this execute, click on debug. This executes successfully. So there is no problem in this, Summer 24 release, right? And Summer 24 or there is no problem. But same code I want to execute, in my Winter 25 release on. So let me copy this code, open the developer console. Under here, let me remove everything from here. And now I need to execute this same code from Summer 24 to Winter 25. So just click on this execute. And once you clicked on the execute, immediately you can see the meaningful name, informatic, error here. You can see this error like this. You cannot modify a collection while it is being iterated. And this is the system.final exception. So this is the very most important, exception at the time of, iteration of the and modification of the collection, right? So in this release or Winter 25 API version 62.0, you will be see this kind of error. Before that, you cannot see this kind of error. It's automatic executed, right? So let's move the next feature is like support for negative currency value in the dynamic SQL. Okay, so earlier it cannot be support like any indicative number in the where conditions in the SQL, but in this release Winter 25, you can add your currency or any negative number in the where clause and it will execute successfully. Okay, so this query will be work whenever your org with multi-currency enabled. So how we can check? So let me open the, first of all, home. Under here, you have to enable the multi-currency, like company information. Just click on this one. I already enable it, but let me tell you how we can see that. Let me click on this edit. And here you can see like a multi-currency. So now you can see I already enabled this multi-currency, right? So this is the multi-currency here. After that, I already enable it. So after that, you can use anything as you have in your org, and after enable it, you have to do one thing. You can check this negative number in the where clause using SQL query. So let me close this snippet. Under here, I need to check first of all, like select ID, amount, right, from opportunity object, right? Just click on this execute. Now immediately you can see ID and the amount have like plus value as well, negative value. So I need to filter it out. So how to filter it out? Very simple. You have to use like where and the amount, let's say less than, and right now my company information enable the MYR currency. In your case, maybe like INR or anything USD, something like that. So based on your currency or region, it's have this kind of things. Let's say MYR, and I have only this one, that is 9 and 4 times 0. So let me execute it. Okay, so let me make no, don't take any space. So immediately you can see my this filter and this query automatic execute, and this is the result like ID and like amount here, right? So under this one, under here, right? So under this area, you can see here, this is the negative value. Okay, so this is the negative value, and this one and this Winter 25 support this negative value in the where clause, and you can use it anywhere as you want. Okay, so this is the second feature. Let me move to the next feature is like track attacks unexpected exception with free tier event monitoring. So under the setup, you can search like event log file browser. Under here, you can make this, event searchable. Let me tell you what is the purpose of this one. We notify you of handle exception via email. However, there is a limit of 10 emails per hour application server, which is shared across multiple orgs, right? Due to this limit, you may not always, receive this mail. So to address this, we are offering like a free tier monitoring systems. Under here, you can check this event monitoring system, right? Also, you can download this CSV file, uncover this error and event browser. Okay, so whenever you turn on the event monitoring of your org to discover the log. So let's see in the action. So let me open the org, click on the home. Under here in the setup one, you have to do one thing, just search like event monitoring. So just click on this option. So this is the option. You have to search like event log file browser, right? So after that, just click on this one, and under here, when to when, this is the start date and date, and you have to check which type of exception you want to track, or any kind of things. So I already selected like all. You can check like Apex callout, Apex execution, anything as you have in your case, right? So better than you can use this all and click on apply. So once you clicked on the apply from start date or to end date, this is the range of the date, and it's automatically send a request to the Salesforce, and Salesforce track these all things and revert back to you in a CSV file, and you can download that file here. Okay, so that is the functionality available here. So this is how you can monitoring these all things, right? So now let me tell you the another things and another feature. Another feature is mock SQL test for the external object. So you can mock SQL queries response for the external object in Apex testing using SQL stub methods and a new test class. How to extend new system dot SQL stub provider class and override the handle SQL query class method. So please observe, guys. So here we have like two things. One is like this one, system dot this class, right? And here another method is handle SQL query. So this is the class. Under this class we have handle SQL query method, and you can use it for the mock SQL test for the external objects. So these all features have in Winter 25. So please let me know, guys, in the comment section which feature you liked. So please mention in the comment section, and also subscribe the channel, turn on the bell icon for more updates so you never miss any kind of update from my side. So till then, bye bye, take care, see ya. Thank you for watching, guys, and thank you for your time. See you again. Bye bye, take care, see ya.